Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tyla Chanell. I'm a makeup artist, beauty influencer. My channel is basically about those things, and today in this video I am going to share with you how to garage sale. Now on my Instagram and Facebook, I get a lot of people asking me the question, Tyla, how do you garage sale? A little bit of backstory about garage selling for me. I have been garage selling since I can remember. I'm like 20 plus years in the game, you know what I'm saying? So basically what I wanted to go over with you all is how do I start garage selling? How do I find these garage sales? How I find garage sales is, for one, I use newspapers. Now, it's something nostalgic about actually going into gas stations and actually buying a newspaper. But if you're not interested in paying $4 for a newspaper, you can also simply look online, and then they will have that same section online for you to see. So each week they typically have, like, I think every Sunday they'll have a list of garage sales for every day that week. Now some people have their garage sales on Tuesday. I typically go to garage sales Thursday through Saturday, and they're typically 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Rain or shine, I love those garage sales. So that's typically the times and the days of the week that I personally go to garage sales. The second way you can find garage sales is by going to this website. It's actually an app, I believe, but it's called GarageSaleFinder.com. Basically on that website you enter your city and state or your zip code, and then it lists out all the garage sales that are near your zip code. I use that typically sometimes, and also they have something where you can opt in and they will send you garage sales as they receive them. So that's a pretty cool feature of that website. The last place I go to find garage sales is a website called YardSaleSearch.com. Basically on there you enter your city or zip, how many miles you are willing to travel for those garage sales, and the dates that you would like to go garage selling. They have more of an advanced search, so like typically I'm not interested in garage sales that are Mondays or Tuesdays unless I'm super bored or, you know, off or available to just shop. That one has just a better advanced search for you if you're looking for, like me, Thursday through Saturdays to go garage selling, which is super awesome. The second part of this video, I'm going to share with you all some tips on how to garage sell. Now, I am not an expert garage sale shopper, but I have learned these few things and it has made my experience that much better. So tip number one, my tip to you all is to start early. Typically, garage sales are between the hours of 8 a.m. and 3 p.m. There's a saying, and that saying is not true for nothing. The early bird gets the worm. When you go early to these garage sales, you find the gems that, like, they're setting up, they're pulling stuff out, and you get it first, okay? Like, you never want to go to a garage sale. I've experienced this. That's the worst feeling, when you go to a garage sale and someone has something you're looking for, and you're like stalking them or watching them as you shop, hoping they will put it down, and they never do, because it's just that gem. I typically go to the nicer neighborhoods, like subdivisions, or in a nicer city. I hit those first because, cliche, you find nicer items, which is not always true. Not always true, but typically you'll find the nicer items in the nicer neighborhood. My second tip to you all is to always make an offer, no matter the price on the sticker. Now, it's been a ton of items that I have gotten that, you know, I just didn't really have the money and I just walk away because I didn't have that price. No, or like I felt bad, like, oh, I paid $40 for this when the lady just wants it to go because she's moving or whatever reason, and she's willing to accept anything. So make your offer. I have gotten like my task chair in my office area. I paid, instead of $20, that was the price on the sticker, I paid $15. Always make an offer on anything you pick up. It say $5, offer them $3. See what happens. I love the bargain. Tip number 3, always get out and look. No matter how that garage sale looks. Like sometimes I have passed up on garage sales and like, you know, you just never know. You always have that feeling of what if. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to feel like that when garage selling. Like sometimes people do not have the items you're looking for displayed properly where you can like car shop, or you know what I'm saying? Look at that, look at that. That's not what I need. That Romans only has baby clothes or something like that. No, get out anyway and look in boxes, look at the back tables that's near their garage. Get out and look. I have found some of my most prized possessions from garage sales that are selling like majority of mechanical things, it looks like, and I'm just like not into car parts or weird stuff or boats, but I've gotten out and found gems. Some people don't display, you know, their items correctly due to the weather. Like sometimes it starts raining, so they like push everything back underneath a little tent or something, and everything is clustered together. Get out at these sales. For example, not too long ago, I bought my air fryer, which y'all know, I started my own series on air fryers. I've been cooking all my meats in the air fryers because I love fried everything. But I hate the calories or how unhealthy it is to use the grease. My air fryer I got at this man's garage sale, and he was like selling manly stuff, just like tools and like saws. I mean, I'm not into that type of stuff. So if I would have stayed in the car, I would have missed out on this air fryer. My air fryer, he sold me that air fryer for $2. I got the box and the receipt. I mean, not the receipt. I got the box and the instructions on how to use it and stuff like that. And I found out that it came with a warranty. So though that's a pretty good bargain for me, and it works like perfect. Like, it's one of my favorite things I bought from a garage sale. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed these tips and information on how I garage sale. Be sure to comment down below if you would like to see me actually garage selling with my family. It's like hard to drive and shop and like, but I'll make it work for you all. If you want to see that, comment down below and let me know. Also hit the notification bell to be notified of every time I upload new content for you all to watch. I guess that's the end of the video, and until next time guys, bye.